Hello friends, I'm Mr. Makanto. Today I'm going to talk about this. It is Indomie with the flavor of Soto Banjar Limau Kuit. Without the L in the middle, there is no L in the middle. But before I tell you the rest, subscribe to the channel to support us. Like the video if you like the video, dislike the video if you dislike the video. And, of course, comment down below something in case you want to comment down below something. Now, this flavor is actually pretty rare in Cirebon. It is only here probably because of, well, it's a 50th anniversary of said company. So yeah, might be because of that. Oh, and by the way, the flavor is from Kalimantan Selatan or South Kalimantan. They just arrived it from there. And this is going to be the first time of me cooking and eating Indomie. So yeah, I guess we could cook it now. So yeah, we could cook it now. Yeah, that's milk. We're going to replace the, the broth as milk. Yes. So we first put in the meatballs into the water. Yes, we are still going to use water. And then after that we're going to throw the water out. And then replace it with milk. Then we wait for a while. And we are both waiting for the, what is it, noodles to, actually cook, while waiting for the milk to actually cook. So yes, it works. We are going to put in the main, what's it, spices, I guess. Oh no, we are not going to eat it with the chili, no. At least oh wait, you put it? Okay, well then that's fair enough. Then after we put it into the bowl, apparently we are going to mix in, well, every other. So yeah, then we wait again for, not really wait, we are still going to need to mix together. Then let's wait. We're still waiting for it to boil off a little. Then we're going to put in the sausages in the milk. Probably because it has cheese inside. And the egg. Of course, we're not going to put in the shell. That's going to be absurd. Then we wait again. Still nothing interesting going down there. Then we wait. Then we are going to put the noodles in. Including the shrapnels. And look at that. Look at that. Something interesting. Yes, rising. You might not be able to see it, it's just the same. Then we are going to add the solid ingredients. No, I mean not the, not the vegetables. I mean the one that come in a sachet. Put in there. So then we wait. Again, we wait. And again, we wait. So yeah, we are going to raise up the temperature. And turn it off. Because it just has risen too much. Otherwise it's just going to flow out of the, pot. Wait, is that classified as a pot or bowl? A bowl. Then we are going to add the temperature. Then we are going to increase the temperature. And then we wait. A little more. A little more. Then we are going to increase in temperature. Then we are going to wait. And wait. Then we wait. Still nothing interesting. Then you mix it up, I guess, separate it. Then we are going to put in the other stuff, which is just vegetables. Mainly with a little bit of water, apparently. Maybe because of condensation. Now that's the end result. And then we wait. Again. Oh look, there's one piece of sausage right in the middle. No, it's not really right in the middle now. Then we're going to decrease the temperature. Here. There you go, that's a sausage. That one. Yeah, that one, that's the sausage. Okay. Then yeah, we're going to wait for a little while. A little while. Then we wait. And then oh gas, not the gas, water vapor. Then water vapor comes up. Then yeah, we still wait. So yeah, okay, and then we wait for a little more while until more water vapor come up. Until more of them come up. Yeah, more is coming up, not at the volume necessary though. So yeah, we very slightly increase the temperature, very. and then we're going to mix it up. And then we wait. Okay, and then I think it's already done. Yeah. And then we already removed the water, and also we already mixed it with the appropriate ingredients, I guess. Then we're going to put in the milk and the sausage. Except for that one sausage which is already in the which is already in the what is it? Noodles. Oh look, your egg is down there. Actually no, it is in the top. And yeah, that's practically it. If you want to do it the normal way, well then you just remove the water part and add the milk part. Then we're going to mix. Then we mix a little more except for the egg. So yeah, this is ready to eat, except you need to wait for a while because it's still very hot. So yeah, we're here. So yeah, I guess I can taste it. This time it's just a broth, which is just mostly milk. I mean, it's spicy for sure. Not too spicy though. Okay, so it is basically spicy and then, yeah, mainly spicy. Then what about the noodles themselves? Then we wait for a while. I mean, every other taste is mostly covered with spicy, in case you have any other taste. And there's a little bit of sour in there. Hold on, taste it again. Although I do suspect that there is at least some MSG in here. I do not know the amount. So yeah, I suppose that is it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.